Birthday, dear Jackson and Caitlin. Happy birthday to you. We just woke them up so we could give them one of their birthday presents before Chad goes to work. Okay.
He sees something. What is it? What is it? Wow.
Jackson, what is it? I love how she knew that hers was the pink one. She didn't need to be told.
Wow. Look out, Mom, you're in my way.
Yeah, we're not gonna be able to put Spencer on the floor anymore, that's for sure. Alright, happy birthday, you guys.
Happy birthday. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.